and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Retired ex-servicemen demands to effectuate one rank, one pension. HANM sends away 300 migrants from New Shillong. ICFA University Meghalaya begins their varsity week. And negotiation releases Pahamri ore from prolonged suffering. And now the news in detail. Ex-servicemen on the 3rd of April met in a gathering held in Mizo Baptist Church Auditorium, Happy Valley, on occasion of celebrating the special day to demand the Government of India and the Defence Ministry to effectuate the pension on grounds of one rank, one pension to all categories of ex-servicemen. The Union of Ex-Servicemen also supported the demands of servicemen all over the country to procure pension benefits which they are rightful to all over the country. As it is now, there is a partial rendering of benefits amongst all army men. A joint action committee was set up in the meeting which includes members from the Army, Navy and Air Force from Gurkha, Khasi, Mizo, Kuki, Garo, Assamese and other tribes who will intensify their demands and even resort to public rally if their demands are unheard or unnoticed.
Kini basimta de tangi badan hangna po Meghalaya tang ki baboni de banan nasor badega emergency tang laisi pentip te ki babone ki bawan ki Kuki Khasi Gurkha Mizo Paite ki bawan Majentiar bidan hi bawan Mokorwat Nongstoin Riangdu but Riboy kiwan. The next lada ayu takan sahe susu menyawan menyawan ngi tak ko jan ida. Nomor la include ex-servicemen video and dependents. Kamot ki spy bala samthai Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Navy. Kumenta kasngilay baro kari India. Ipamla syari India banlay sa Delhi. Ki syam bat ki meeting bat ki protest haman la ki district bat ki state. Te ki bala ban poi sa Delhi kilalay. Bat ki wei ki bajan na Delhi. Menta kasila sabu arsni kila syam setai sa jantar mentar kadan kamadan baka sarkar ka aila piti bakin syam. Maka Hai, PD pensoto award OP one rank one pension kamot same rank, same service and same pension. Kaju. Lada day u hawaldar utrai khasan senem ude bandia prakhasan kaju. Lada day wa arbusau senem pra arbusau senem kadai kaju. Kalong pemtak example. Kuban Delhi what you can do tarik pada Supreme Court can decide kan rai ka MSP kumno kan rai kan ai kaju but the officer jesu bajawan ne kumno ada kimla ban rai tengir nghabot but kitu kuwe kiseng ki bahe badan Delhi but memban seven sim permission now DC now SP but protest na kasulak ni badan na kabanta ka hok lejak nim ong ban ot yano ban minus ya kan na ka hok jang kiwe didawai ka jong lajak.
Leaders and members of the Hnyotrap Achek National Movement HANM from New Shillong Circle sent away 300 migrants who entered the territory of Dingyong New Shillong East Khasi Hills on the 3rd of April. Police from Mau Diang Diang outpost immediately rushed to the place to subside the intensity of the situation in order to avoid any harm to both parties and the people around. Leaders of the HANM suggested the government to functionalize the inner line permit, which was raised in the Legislative Assembly by the MDA government in the year 2019. They added that the Union HANM will not let any migrant to enter the region without proper documents or permit and genuine reasons of travel.
सुनिए ना हमारा बात सुनिए नहीं यार हमारा क्या बोल रहे हैं हाँ दे दिए तो
दिखाओ सब
वहाँ होटल में उनको देखिए आ जाइए ना पाइए ना ये तो थे ऊपर चलिए ना
The ICFA University Meghalaya Tura campus began the varsity week. Bilsunina Miktakala from the 3rd to 6th of April 2023 to test one's strength, learning skills, abilities, intellect and resourcefulness. The event was inaugurated by the academic coordinator. Participants witnessing the day includes all the students and faculty members and staff of the university. All students took part in various cultural and literary events in day one of the event, such as on-the-spot sketching, essay writing, poem writing, extempore speech, push-up and arm wrestling, mobile photography, throw ball for girls and singing competitions.
Hey everyone, my name is Yumak Zimoman. I am from MSW second semester and Yale House. Today what I've got is the topic is newspaper. Everyone knows what is newspaper. Newspapers provide us information and news of our daily lives or what is going on in the society and what is happening in daily lives. So, there are more types of newspapers. In Meghalaya, the famous newspapers are the Shillong Times, and in Garo Hills, it's Salantini Janera. They are the most famous newspaper in Meghalaya. And importance of newspaper.
Straight, go straight.
Siang nak makan tanya tu
Residents of Pahang Rio had been experiencing an unhygienic environment whereby they have been tolerating the foul odor emitted by two food stalls or dhaba, namely Highway 2 Dhaba and Saraji Da Dhaba, which flows to the drains. The foul smell from the drains had caused multiple health problems to residents of a particular area in Pahang Rio. From the part of the residents, along with the assistance provided by the leaders of RBYF, had negotiated with the two dhabas and reached to the peaceful agreement. In the negotiation, the dhaba owners agreed on the closing of food stalls until the drainage system is sorted by fixing pipes that will divert the dirty emissions from the houses of the people. With mutual agreement, the long-troubled situation is settled.
Kanam her sinistai, kanam her kadang kejengki ki kerpat nangi bangin kang shoya ka daba, ya kan daba, but hadin balada benda yakam, but sampili biang daba. Kumba bakaniat kumba kadiat boros kata.
Hatin pelayu punya kerana mesti arti di tradukan. Jadi kita kerana penting tradukan.
Abang ekran bat ki argot kini ki tradukan, kini ki manager yang ki arti kita apa. Makanya yang juki kamda ngamda i bagindan kata ka kajik kli. Nakamta ka kwat kya jong pai ba. Ke ke bangai i bakil kham ki kli kalong ba. Kamta ka kam ka jam la jong. Jenda kilalong kita ki buru ki kli kinom kanam jagam kene ka ban wan kene ka nala ka basma ka ka basma na kini dukan ki juki ti they are earning kini ki paiba ki suffering de kene ka long ka ka ba ka bamba na ka banta jong ni gum ki nok section ng hasinong la jong isap kun tut jebo ha kini ki mender ki busuan bolasi ki buan kamai kon ka ji si ka ka
hadin asim kara yo khang ni yati dukan khang pun ta kasni de hadu kan lo pot ayaki ban pli kan ne pun pha pli hadu da dak ni kam
Karai ban khang ini rabai gede karai jong kinong song jong kan kedom. Ban kalian jungi ngi suai dang jingi harap iki. Pada karai ban peli yang kena kanalaru asong. Ni ngi suwan niwan hang ne ban harap iki. Ban kenang ba kata ka sur ka ba kimnot ban keren. Kimnot ban keren. Kata ika.
ai ndak halo kan kejing yami pai ba di pi mentah kasni halo kan nala
Kajing yami pat ba jongi kani kasi na benta kani kanala na mari msula sya syu kajing sma utong na mara bun sin ni sya yok pang kikon gikti sya yok pang mut na mar kajing sma kenyang jing pang na bami na kani kanala uska nyu wandem mang tu te ki wandem ki marba mardi jongi ta nalarang taru ta kajing sma utong ka bam la sya syu kini kenyang jing pang kin hakim marba mardi jongi ki kon gikti jongi kin sya yok pang lun Dai nakataka daw ng yami padba. Entah kasih.
Halo kena kis ni iru bala lami aslam lagi news channel. Hatu nak lain pi ke kita ong ni aslam jing aslam ni try dukan bani ye halo kena.
Nah halor kato bang ilap penmi la. Kanno benai ngi penmi. Aduh benai. Hadin arab nai mah. Hadin arab nai ilap penmi apa YouTube channel kamtu ngila penmi apa media. Tang ngi iba kini ki dahaba berarti ki klim lai halor kane namar kata ngi kum gidong song snong ngi so jenjar ngi so lang amen sim ken namar ngi sultan man kas ngi kale arja kleta nakata kadaw ngi.
After the information received that 13 A&M nurses were removed from office of Karuna Trust in 11 primary health centers of the state, the Hinotrab Youth Council on the 3rd of April went down to the Karuna Trust office located in Jilishop, Nongthamai to lock it down in order to stop its function. Speaking to the media persons, the General Secretary of HYC Women's Wing, Roy Kupar Sinram, informed that the immediate removal of the nurses from their duty without prior notice had affected the nurses and their careers, especially those whose working period had crossed 10 to 14 years. Roy also informed that he had spoken with the manager of the Karuna Trust through a phone asking for a deadline to vacate from office, but the leaders of the union demanded to meet the managers and discuss the matter in person. As of now, HYC had temporarily locked the office.
Jingwan ga jongi na kaliang jong kaseng mata kasing ya po ka office trekam dong ka Karuna Trust. Kumangitip ka Karuna Trust ka di gawin ki trust ki ba ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka IT ban penyat ki PHC ki badon nang ni po Meghalaya. Kumangitip apo rilum khasi ba jantia ki don khatwi tlik PHC ki ba ka Karuna Trust ka penyat. Haka ba ka thungi ki doktor ka thungi ki nurse ki NM ki GNM bat kiwi ki nong tray. Lengba kata ka jing yate agreement baka Sarkar ka pelut ka ay ka Karuna Trust ka kamjo Karuna Trust kalong ban penyat kumno ban ay ka jing syakri ki pa nong snong jong gitu ki snong ki bahap apo jong kini ki khatway tlik PHC ne ba susi kalong bang yo jing tip hakini ki sngi ba kidon kumba khatlaingut ki brio ki jongi kidon ki bala arang ba kidon bedang samla kidon ki bala atre kum ki NM arsnem hadu khat sausnem Ngiyo jing tip kansan kani Karuna Trust ka pha ki termination letter ki banong banadu ka sitrik umunai April jong news nam arja arpulai phimla shu bantrei hapo kini ki PHC ki ba per ki ba kini ki beriu ki jongi ki tre onang ilawa jing tip ngiyo jing tip ba kani ka jing weng ye kini ki beriu ki jongi kala sedang shwa jong mantau benai dai namar ba kala don ka jing pani ki kot ka bong ba kala don em ka jing petha nak Sarkar ban weng ya kini kinong tre ki badai na kadok kasnam ka jongi bat ki badai ro na kiwe gi jai benrio ko mangitip ngi kidon hadu ar penyungut ki basa weng na kita ki ar penyungut khatlaingut ki ki na ka jai benrio nyok tre ka jongi dangi wat jing tip ki ong ba umdon kata ka kot na ka Sarkar ri kendit kensan kalami kata ka siti ka bawan na ka Sarkar ka lai puai trik jong mentau benai ka baong ki ban shim kini action ngim tip dangi ngi so thu kat kum kini ki termination letter ki bala mi pat ki bala ai kini ki beri ka jongi kalong ba kin tha ya kini ki NM baki dei ban sange no na kajing wan tre ngi PSC kada ko baki ai galong ba kini ki NM ki bala tre menta shipho hadu khat sausnem ki don ki bateri arsnem bakim simlala ban wanra ta ka registration certificate baki affiliate Shakina Sing Council ni so thu baki don kami ki certificate lani kata recognition na ki nursing council la kalong na ka Meghalaya nursing council lani na kanunu nursing council ka baki ni kibri ki jongi ki la dep ban puli ndrei ha kum ka jing sngo namar ka kum ka jing tip ka jongi ba hapor ba ka karuna ka khot ya kini kibri ban rung kum kita ki nurse lani ki NM ha kita ki PhD ki ba fair ha kapor ka baki let ban interview kim shim la pani kita ki kita ki registration lani kita ki affiliate ki certificate ban affiliate cha nursing council kendet kensan menta hakani kapor habakila trei la katas nem ko ngai pi ban shu sha be na kam kalong ke ke bangim la ban pediang akjing sha kila de ban aipor kapor ka babiang ndei tang si banai lani ar banai ban affiliate na sothu ka dan kam de ki le se de ki sisnam hadu arsnam ban yo e ka registration ni ngo ba karuna ka de ban ai kenya kapor ka babiang de kendet kensan ban shueng kam kalakta kan kta ikilong yeng is long sem ki jongki ka kamai ka baki kamai man lo banai de ki post na manta ki la tre kin le wat kam shu shei kin yo ni kin nom yo shu ka kam ka snap nang yo kam ne am ki PhD ki ba per la ni kinung ni banta ti ka jingwan ga jongi manta ka singi ha jing sang imut banwan ye kendu ya kinong penya ka karuna trust ki don kat kini khatwei tuli ki PhD yang ni po Meghalaya de ka sosi ka long batang we ubri lanu in charge ubadi ban shong hang ya shulong ban station na shulong umdon kakum ga jingtip ko jongi gini ki bapenya ya karena trust ki bu tangin da kinong tray hang ni hapo kanik office ndre ki buri ki bala ban shim ka decision hajing sha bangin la ban ekran ban penbet ya kani kam kim shim la don ha kani ga jaka ki don shaba de bon ki penya ya ka kam ga jongki na go hati la ni ki penya tempo Bangalore te ngi wan mata si ban ya kendu te abang ngim ya kendu ngila badon tang we u kena u betray kani office tingla show mi ubun mi ngin khang tala ya kani office menta singi tat hadu bagi nong penia jong kani karena trust kinwan ban ya kendu ban penbet ya kani kam bangin taw ya kalak kelenti kenang makan nomlong ka jing kta ya kini ki khalangot ki bri jong i ki we ru ki badan arpanyongot ki basha ai kini termination letter te kata kani jingwan ga jongi menta singi kani ga nakaliang ga jong ngiyo ban keren lomba ka phone uong ba upan por bangin ya kendu ban ya keren ban pensai ulo ong ro ngi ba kalong kendit kensan gani ga jingwan ga jong pi menta ka singi tengi ngi ong bala da fi la ban le kendit kensan ya ka kamba life way trick pio ata ka city na ka sarkar sitrik la da ai ka termination letter ya kini kinas tengi ngi mla ban le ngi ha ban wan kendit kensan na mar bangin dang yo jing tep menta ka singi ti la dau kwa la da kinong penya jong karna trust ki kwa ban ya penbet gani kam ki kwa ban ya shong markmat ngi long ki bakloi batat hadu bakila ban penbet yang ni kam so bakani office ka jong ki dei ban khang na makam don jingmut be finwan ban kamai spa nang ni na po ri jongi ham taun po khasian jaintia ka sarkar ka siwi ki da ki krur ban penyat ri ki khna ki jongi ki ban yo kam pin chu sha kin shu be hasiteng jong ka service jong ki kolong ke ke mangim la ban penyang bala da karena terus kadang ya peteng man le ya kum kini ki kam nakaliang jong ka seng ngin but din ya ka rukom trekam ki jong ki hakini ki khatwei tli ki PhD kala dangi lap bakile bakalang ngim ban si ban dawana ka sarkar ba ya kata agreement ka ba karena terus kaya te ba ka sarkar ka ban weng lam ka sarkar kan le da ki we pa kila kilti
Hinautrap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO on the 3rd of April launched a dead body carrier from Milliam Circle. The ambulance was launched by new editor Evangeline Dakhar in the presence of the president of HITO, Donbok Dakhar. Donbok Dakhar, the president of HITO, while speaking to the media persons, informed that the launching of this ambulance is also a part of celebrating the 2 years anniversary of HITO, and HITO was established in the year 2021, and within these 2 years they had launched 3 mortuary vans, one is in 2021 and 2 in 2022. The cause behind the action was to serve the people of the community in the best way one can.
Kandai ka jingdap lani ka jingrakhe arsnem ya ka HITO ha jingyat lenti te kum ka dak ka jingrakhe ngi pelat peba ya kane ka mortuary van namar ba ga HITO la seng na du arpo wei but ha kane ka jingyat lenti how arpo wei ngi la yo ban sei ka ga ambulance ka ban shakri ki peba how arpo ngi la yo ban sei hadu artali ka wei ngi bu hapo sasnyang ka wei hapo East Center Hills pat ka bnengkong ngi bu hapo West Center Hills ta hadian bangi i ba kiduna ba ka mortuary van hangne hapo ka dong ka than khamtam hasor namar ba ka ambulance pat ka mortuary van mla ban penyat kumjo te bat ngilai iru yeki hospital ba he ki dei be yeki badon ba em hendrei yeki baduk bopli teng steng lenti ki haban duk no ya la ka jong ka jing im namar ba ban ka jing duk te ngi na ka liang ka seng ngi snu don dabram ma banta gri ba jing rio ta ka daw i penmi de ambulance bat ka mortuary van ru khnang bangin la ban shakri khamba ha ya ka jat bin rio nyau trap te hamanta ka singi don ini momento ban ai kongsan i kong event dekat i badai ru i chief editor jongga guardian tengah sungu ban kum kadak ban sak kan mau ia dan lang ngan pendeng ini
ya kata kecing syakri ya kipat ba nong song snong jong kajela ke jongi kum kata ha ka berju ko por kum kadak jong ka jingdap arsnem jong ka sang ni ai blai ya ka sang itu but ninget ru ba kan di mortuary van kan ai shai kata ka jing syakri ya kipat ba ki ba don kam ya ka ha kai kam yap ka kam em but ni kitbok kit rang ru ya ka seng hito ba kan dang yai peteng yiki kam gi jongka hakaban ya tenrong lem ya kata pia ka shon jongka jaj benriu ka jongi.
Leaders of Nyautrep Youth Council from Ribhoi district under the leadership of the General Secretary Tony Shilla immediately went to civil hospital to complain to the authorities in charge in the civil hospital when a doctor verbally abused a patient who came for treatment. On the 3rd of April, the HYC met with the DMHO Ribhoi district along with Dr. N. Sangma, Medical Superintendent of Civil Hospital Nongpo, and in their meeting, the HYC informed that the patient concerned went to the hospital to get treatment on the 30th of March, but the opposite occurred when a doctor verbally abused him. Soon as the news reached the HYC, they sprint into action and met with the two officers of the department. The doctor who had committed the offence was ready to apologize to the patient, and the apology from the doctor composed the patient.
Hakane kasngi nakaliang jongka HYC Ribhoi district hadin ba ngilayo ya ka wei ka jing ujor naki nongsong snong jongka ka Ribhoi ba kabalajia hakalai pau terik kata hakapor menmit hadin ba uladon hapdeng ka jing sitom ka ba jurba te hadin ba ulayo ban wan hakane ka hospital civil hospital nongpo hangne ha po hanongpo te hadin ba ngilayo ka complain naune u patient lane u nongpang ba kadon ka jing ya her jingmut lane kadon ka jing ya ka jing sha kern tomet ha ki nong sumar ki badai ki ba employ lane ki dei ki ba tre ha po kan ka civil hospital te nakaliang kum kaseng hadin ba ngilayo ya ka jing ujor ngila wan ban wat banyak ya kane ka jingjah ka pelajia ka tegasi rengkat bat u basitom ha ka tegamet ngilayo banwan ya kenduk mata kasngi ngila ya kenduk ya DMHO ngila kenduk ru ya i madam MCS bapet ya kane ka ya ki staff hangne po civil hospital nongpo te hadin ka jing ya keren ngila poi ka jing ya smutu jingmut kadai nak tahu hi ka jing pressure ka jing ban khia plat ka kam jong ine i doktor i bala kum bakla ban keren tomet ya kinong pang hak tegamet ya urang ba breu ubadai ru unong yalam bisnong ubadai ru urang ba ublese ubala burom da ki pai ba hapo ka snong ka thau hanrei klempoi perkhat anda ula poi hakane ka jaka usak keren tomet lane usak keren kum badai ya ki khulung ki khna lane mai hak ta kum badai ya ki khulung khna moh ngala penong kumta jadi bangilayo ban ya keren hi te ngila poi jinga sutu jengmut bat ini i doktor ila apologize yang i kaseng bat kumjuru ya ita i patient iba don bewan rangkat lang bat ngi pat hadin bagila skap thu bah na ka jing keren jong i madam MCS jong ka civil hospital nongpo kadau hi kadai na ka jingkhia jong ka kam nama arpusau kanta i dontang ini iwe i doktor i batre hakate ka department te kum kaseng hawat ngi ai khuble yaki nurse yaki staff barok kiba ai kata ka jing syakri ka ba paka lane kila tresitom ban ai ya ka jing sumar ka ba paka yaki paiba nongsong snong kiba wan ban pa sumar hakane ka civil hospital nongpo te kum kaseng kwa hi khantiat ba ngin kontu yaki staff jong kane ka civil hospital hawat la bunsen ngila jiyo yaki complain ka ba ki paiba ki thu angi ba kidon katto kane ki staff ki ba kimju nang ban keren lani kim junang ban respect ya ki patient dari halor kata kan ngi kentu ya kini ki staff jong ka civil hospital nongpo ba kide ban burom ya ki nongpang namar kane kade hospital jong ka sarkar ka baru upai ba ikme lenti ba kin yo jik sumar ka paka na kane ka hospital namar kumbangi jiyo sngau sheneng shrum ka bagi ong ba kam that ban tha sumar hapo civil hospital nong po namar ba ka behavior juki kam dalong ba bon kibabun di 100 day ka jing bamanse tigim kwa ban yo sngau nang ne khmat kum kita ki complain kum kaseng ka bangi layo ha kane kisngi ke baladap ba shwa bangin penkut ngiso ban kentu ya ka sarkar bat ngin sa lejru ban aya ka jing tho sya ka sarkar ha ka bidai bat ka jing don kam jong ki doktor ba en ngin employ biang la ngin pen ngin hap tap yang ki doktor ha ka ne ka civil hospital mar kumbalong mata ki doktor ki ba sumar ki nok pang ki duna shibun batang marwe ba insyakri arpsa konta kadai sisa ka jing khia tinga ai khuble yakini ki doktor ngai khuble itu doktor bel ai ka jing pensya yang ha menta ka sngi bat ngi scam ba pedang ai ba pedang la sisu ban ai ga jik sakri jung pi ha ga dei bat upai ba nang ne khmat ba nagal yang ka seng he insya sempat ya da kiwe par isin jam kata kalong bangin sa ai ga jing tho sa sarkar ba kin wanra la ne kin bu kin wanra ai ki doktor khambun ha ka ne ka hospital khnang ba kan long ka jing matoi yo pai ba nong sesnong hi borok ko.
On the 3rd of April, NPP from Ribhoi district venerated 2 MLAs who brought victory to the party by winning from 2 constituencies in Ribhoi district in the 2023 MLA elections which occurred recently. The 2 MLAs venerated include Sostinus Soton, MLA from Jirang, and Daman Bat Lamare, MLA from Umroi. Present in the occasion includes the former MLA of Umsning, Jason Maulong, MDC of Jirang, Victor Rani, MDC of Umroi, RR Karbuki, the president of NPP Ribhoi district, Clement Maulong, Shempang Lingdo, and other leaders and workers of NPP from Ribhoi district.
Ilayo ban hak election bat ngasung berprawi ngasung ublay such sin pat kesin ke baar ke bangalayo ban mikmat ya ka ten jirang konsensi hak ba ngasung ladi ling ba kejungkat bu kejung ublay kijing start ke ublay ula ay suba mentang kanang mi ke po ke confident ngirang don ngirang yo bor ngirang la bat ngirang tip kumno ba ngilek ban yo ban pani ke jungan kam ke sauka kumno bangla ban create a relation ke jungi nadu ogol chimnes ki ministers ki officers kumta terde nakam ta kumno bangla ban wara ke kamperoi ke konsensi ke jungi bat kumju nakam ta ke district ke jungi ti hagini ke por nagaleng junga kumu MLA jong ke jirang konsensi ngaso ban penpau ya ka jing sarung sachi sempat hakabai dei baru MLA ba kena tam jaga district ke jungi gejala ke jungi ubadai MLA jaga Umroi i sa Daman Bai Lamare sir what you do mensim dakan mau badai banbu elade dakan mensim ke jing saurat habang islangnya kena kam bat habang ikbeni habang isang nalade kumunong ilang daga mensim ke basudet bat beni ya kakam kabangi ngile kabala bensyat ngi kada kakam ram kejungi metangiran angut di MLA bangkit banba isa Daman Bai Lamare nagam ta ko Umroi konsensi bat manga nagam ta ka Jirang konsensi bat nia dong lang mentahang ni bangkit banba ngakot ngawer ya baro ki party workers baro jaga district kejungi bang ngingkit ngin ba naga banta ke district kejungi ka don kam ya ka jingrap lani ka attention jaga sarkar ngiran hak sarkar bat ngikerman scam baka district kejungi kalong ka district ka bapnai.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.